Alright guys, what's up? How's it going? Just waiting for people to join before we get this break going. We got 10 2020 Fire blaster boxes going. 2020 Fire. Take a look at the odds real quick. Now we will get the live started in about 5 minutes, guys. 7:05. Just gonna give some time for people to join. Got here a personal auto Swanson and a personal auto Acuna. Was fortunate enough to get these personally signed. These will go into the PC. Have it up here to bless the boxes. What's up, CJ? How's it going? Couple more minutes, guys. We're just gonna get set up here. Let's give some time for people to join, and we'll get ripping. '20 Fire. Target exclusive. These came out in blaster boxes. Got some cello packs. You also got some hobby boxes as well. Here's one of those hobby boxes. I think we're going to start a break for this as well, so stay tuned for that. Probably do a couple boxes, honestly. 2 autographs, but we'll see what's up. What's up, Ice Milk? How's it going? 3 more minutes, guys. Wait a couple minutes and we'll start ripping. Personal auto Acuna. And a personal auto Swanson. Not bad. Was fortunate enough to get these personally signed by them. Also got the Acuna jersey you might have saw. Guy's a stud, man. Definitely somebody to look for in the future. Yeah, no worries, Ice Milk. We'll save the live, so you'll be able to take a look at it whenever. Try to pull you some fire here. Some fire in the fire. 2 more minutes, guys. Almost ripping. Almost ripping. Thanks to everybody who joined the break as well. Definitely very appreciative. We're going to make sure that we try to pull you guys off some nice looking cards here. Now these are not the hardest to come by, but if you do come by a couple of these blaster boxes, you want to make sure you jump on it. Don't let them sit there because, you know, they might not be there when you come back, especially in my area. These things are like gold. We got all the boxes set up here. We got 2 rows of 4. Then you got the 2 on top. Look for autographed autos. That's what we're trying to shoot for. Some nice autograph rookies there. Maybe some couple vets. Here's the odds before we get started. Anybody wants to screenshot the odds? Let me see if I can find a better box. That's the odds there. 1 more minute, guys. 1 more minute. Let's have Acuna and Swanson bless the box. Bless all the boxes. Remember, guys, after the break, I will go ahead and send messages to everybody just to make sure you're aware that the live will be posted, and good luck. Hobby Stadium couple other breaks are going to be posted. All right, guys, 705. Let's get started. 705. We got 2 rows and 2 on top. Let's go. First box. Let's get ripping. All right. Good luck, everybody. Good luck. All right, so this comes with a 7-pack plus a 1 4-pack bonus per box. The bonus is the gold minted exclusive. All right, we'll save that for last, and let's get ripping. All right, so we have a Leba. We have a Nola. We got a Flamethrowers. McKay. Okay. We have a Meadows. Baez. And a McCutcheon. All right, not bad, not bad. We got a Verlander. Polanco. We got a red foil. Alzolay. Not bad. Got a Crawford. Seager. And it's Smith. Not bad. All right, that's a nice one back there already. We got a Yelich. Stanton, baby, he's on fire. And we have a throw to home Judge, 100.5 gold. Nice card. Nice card. That goes for the Yankees. We got a Lindor and a Muncy. Last but not least, what we're Acuna Jr. Nice card. Nice card. Oops, sorry guys. All right, pack number 3. We have a Lamb, Hedges, Bueller, Springer, Quintana, and a Grinks. Not bad. Nothing too major in that pack. All right, we have a Dope Knock, Machado. We have a Nelson Cruz, single season slugging percentage record, gold. Nice card. Nelson Cruz. Tsugo. Mariano Rivera. Nice card there. He's a PC for me. Mauer. Not bad. Alright guys, let's get going here. You got a Dice. Bradley Jr. A Means. Gwynn. Hamaguchi. And a Gonsolin. All right, we have a Hudson, Perez, Power and Pride. Power and Pride Iglesias. Nice card. Oops, sorry there. We have a Ichiro, a Gratero, woo, and a Tatis Jr. Nice card there. Nice card. All right, and for the bonus pack for gold, let's see what do we have here. Paddock, Biggio, Fernandez, and a Kluber. Not bad. Alright guys, first pack is done. Second pack up. Put this pack on the side here. We have a Brasil. Oh, sorry guys. Oh, Brasil. Guzman. Hudson Red. Solak. Bauer. And a Dustin May, which we saw the back of. We have a Hillard, Story, and the Arcia, throw to first, 87.9. 87.9. Senzo, Akiyama, and a Bell. Not bad. Let's keep the packs rolling. I got a Bregman, Kopech, Goldsmith, Castro, Bryce Harper, nice card there, and a DeJohn, nice Harper there. All right, we got a Buxton, Ray, and we have a Gleyber Torres fired up. Nice card. Gleyber Torres fired up. Good card there. We got a Bryant, Calhoun, and a Clevelander. Not bad. We have a Robinson Cano. We have a Carrasco. Horner. Nice red foil there. We have a Belt. Zimmerman. And Alfaro. Not bad. We have an Alonso. Nice card. Braun. Flamethrowers, Mike Soroka. Turner. Pop. Rizzo. Not a bad pack. We have a Contreras, Guerrero Jr., a purple Low. It's a nice card there. 22 out of 25. Brandon Lowe. That's a nice card there. Devers, Pujols, and Kepler. Numbered card. Nice. Nice numbered card there. And for the last pack mojo here, for team, we have Kopech, Goldsmith, Bryce Harper. Nice card for the Phillies there. Gold Bryce Harper. And a Castro. Not bad. Not bad. Alright guys, we're on to the next box. Box number 3. We are on box number 3. So nice number card. Nice red foil there. We have a Brown, Rogers, Jake Arrieta, gold, not bad. Smoke and Mirrors, Polanco, Yelich, and Stanton. We have a Grisham, Votto, Polanco, red foil, Lamb, Buehler, and a Gordon. Not bad of a pack there. Let me put the red foil here. We have a Nola, Kluber, Power and Pride Lindor. Power and Pride Lindor. Dobnak, Machado, and Matt Dice. Not bad. Not bad. Fernandez, Hosmer, woo, gold, Yordan Alvarez, nice card. Orange Alvarez, 106 out of 299, nice hit there. Alvarez out of 299. Oh, go orange, sorry. Nice hit there. Bradley Jr., Hudson, and Perez. So 2 number cards so far. 2 nice number cards. Let's keep these numbers here to keep blessing the boxes. All right, we have a Wong, Verdugo. We have a throw to home Harper. Nice. All these Harpers coming out. Throw to home Harper. Nice card. We have a Chapman, Jimenez, and a Kane. Kershaw, Marte, red foil Munoz. Red foil Munoz. Nice card. Severino, it's a PC. Bellinger, and Wheeler. Not bad. We have a Longoria, Corbin, and we have a fired up Justin Verlander. Nice card. Fired up Justin Verlander. Nice card. Alcantara, Mancini, and Syndergaard. Nice card there. And for the last pack mojo here, we have a DeGrom, Torres, Means, and Zito. Not bad. Oh, sorry guys. and a Zito. All right. We are on to the next box. This is box number 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 4. We have Ahmed, Suarez, Flattery, Kluber, Fernandez, rookie card, and a Hosmer. So rookie insert there. Trying to get these packs open so you don't see the back end of it. Real Muto, Freeman, a fired up Manny Machado. Nice card. You have a Wong and a Verdugo. Last but not least, a Kershaw. We have a Kuchar, Vogelbach, and a Red Robles. Martes, Longoria, and a Corbin. We have a Starsberg, Kim, Flamethrowers, Walker Buehler, Conforto, Mullins, and a Redden. We have a Talon, Brasil. Wow, nice card there. You have a purple Acuna Jr. Purple foil Acuna Jr. 1 out of 99. 1 out of 99. Good hit there. Good hit there. Let's go ahead and get that sleeved in there. Put this on the top. Very nice card there. You have a Cruz, Lux, another nice card, rookie card there. That's nice. And Arenado. It's a nice hit there for the Braves. Nice hit there. Guess that auto blessed that box, huh? We haven't found any autos, surprisingly. Guzman, Hillard, talking about autos. Andrew Miller. Smoking, what was that? Yep, Smoking Mirrors. Starlin, Benintendi, and McKay. Nice rookie there. Some pretty solid hits there so far. No autos yet. Story, Bregman, Hedges, red foil Hedges, Snow, Mendick, and Gregorius. Sorry, I didn't put this here earlier. I'm only putting the numbers and solid hits up there. Gonna separate all the rookies and, you know, sleeve them up for you guys and stuff, so no worries about that. You got Chapman, Jimenez, Mendick, and Snow. Another rookie there for Mendick. Alright guys, we're on to the next box. Waiting for the auto. See if we pull some autos out of here. Some solid number hits though. Definitely not complaining about Topps Fire this year. pretty solid hits there. And we have a Ketchu, Vogelbach, Orange Hamamoto. Orange Hamamoto numbered to 299. 145 to 299. Solid hit there. Bell, Castro, and another Harper. Nice card. Putting a nice pack of Harpers there for the Phillies. We want these numbers to keep blessing the box, though. All right, we have a Strasburg, Kim, Acuna Jr., Power and Pride. Another nice hit there. Acuna Jr., Power and Pride. Nice card. DeJohn, Bryant, and Calhoun. Nice hit there. All right, guys. So a couple good number cards so far. I think my favorite's probably that Acuna Jr. there in purple. We have a Talon. We have a Brasau. We have a red Rosario. Red Rosario. Clevelander. A Belt. And a Zimmerman. Yep, Ice Milk. Nice hit there. Nice hit. And we have a Guzman. We have a Hillard. We have a fired up Bryce Harper. Fired up Bryce Harper. This is definitely some fire coming out of Bryce Harper in the fires. Alfaro, Turner, and Cobb. I think the Phillies and the Braves have been eating pretty good here. Houston got that nice Alvarez. Let's put some fire for everybody here. Come on. Let's heat up. Story, Bregman, Kopech, Rizzo, Devers, Pujols. Stud pack there. All right, guys. Let's heat up. Goldschmidt, Buxton, Jake Arrieta, Smoke and Mirrors, Kepler, Brown, and Rogers. Let's heat up. We got a Ray, Cano, Calhoun, Grisham, Votto, and a Nola. Sorry, didn't see this was a Flame Calhoun. Put that here. For the last pack, Mojo. Uh-oh. I saw the back. I don't know if you guys got a glimpse of it. I got to see that last card. Moncada. Hatter. Lincecum. And last but not least, a gold Fernando Tatis Jr. Nice hit there. Nice card. Guy's a stud. He's going to be a beast. Nice card there. All right. All right, guys, on to the next one. We have a Judge, Ohtani, Carrasco, and here is that auto of Kyle Schwarber. Oh, it's not an auto. It was actually just flipped. Wow. That's so weird. They just flipped it. And Alonso. Sorry, guys. That was not the auto. Not sure why they even flipped that. It's weird. Wrong Kyle. That is right. Wrong Kyle. Zimmerman, Cease, a red foil Solar. Now that you mentioned that, I haven't seen any Kyle here. Braun, Contreras, Gurriel. No Roberts either. I know they're in here. Top Step Fire definitely has all of them in there. Eovaldi. Nice little rookie Bichette there. A fired up Gleyber Torres. Not sure if we've seen him already. Cole. Manaea and Judge. Think we've seen him already. Alright, we got a Gallo. Rios. Hoskins. Not bad. Ohtani again. Zimmerman. And Cease rookie. Not bad. We have a Dubon. Low. And a Flamethrowers Garrett Cole. In the Yankee uniform. Not bad. Eovaldi. Another rookie Bo Bichette. Good card there. And a Gallo again. Bo Bichette's a PC for me. Oh, there we go again. He is a PC for me. Munoz. Sally. Belt, red foil. Nice card. Rios. Hoskins again. And Dubon. Alright, guys. Let's heat up. Let's heat up. Come on, Kyle Lewis. And Roberts. Ooh, we got a nice little Trout. Haven't seen him show his face yet. Got a nice Trout. Candelario. A Michael Kopech. Smoke and Mirrors. And a low. Sally. And Munoz. And for the last pack, Mojo. We have a Rosario. Have an Altuve. We have a Mauer. And the Mariano Rivera. Mariano was a beast in his days. Never seen a guy throw a fastball so straight and have everybody miss. Alright guys, on to the last 4 boxes. 4 boxes left. Waiting for the auto. Waiting for some Kyle Lewis, some Roberts to show their faces. For Gordon, we have Ahmed, Suarez. Who are we looking for? We got one. We got a Lewis. Rookie card, Kyle Lewis. Nice card. Solar. And Aquino. J. Pete. Alright, we got a Flattery. A Real Muto. A Throw to Home Bellinger. Throw to Home Bellinger. Castillo. Who else were we looking for, guys? I don't know. This pack right here. This pack right here is bringing everybody out. And a Tucker. And a Tucker. Alright, we got Freeman, Cucho, and a Turner red foil. Frawley, Padak, and a BGO. We have a Vogelbach, Strasburg, And an Aaron Judge all-time rookie single-season home run record. Nice card there. Torres, DeGrom, Gordon. You have a Kim, Taylor, an orange Robinson Cano. Nice card, number to 299. Robinson Cano was a PC for me when he was in the Yankees. So not a bad card there. Little Cano. Not a bad card. Not a 299. You have a Brasil, Guzman, a Power and Pride Barrios, Machado, Dice, and a Bradley Jr. This box is pretty solid. Hillard, Story, Castillo red foil, Hudson, Perez, and a Chapman. Now for the last pack mojo here. We have a Cano, Gold. We have a Ray, Senso, and the May. Nice little rookie card there, Dustin May. Nice little rookie there. Alright, let's move these two over. Let's go on to the third to last pack. Third to last pack. Zero. There we go. This is what we were looking for. We have a Rogers autograph rookie. Nice Rogers rookie auto. Definitely something you want to PC. Any rookie auto is kind of good. That's what we were looking for. Nice hit there. Got a Rogers rookie auto. First auto of the night. Had to hit one, right? And right behind it is Mullins green parallel out of 199. So got the auto followed by a number. Cedric Mullins. Nice backs to back there. Nice cards there. Following up, we got a Junis, Garcia, and a Adames. So we finally pulled the auto, guys. And it was a rookie. That's also good. Have a Means. David Ortiz. First time showing his face today. And an Albert Pujols 10 straight season batting 300. Nice card. Albert Pujols. This is upside down Hedges. Austin Hedges. We have a Alzole and a Andrus. We have a Griffey Jr., Sammy Sosa, a Fred Foyu, Garcia, Leyba, Nola, and Verlander. We have a Bagwell, Correa, and a throw to first 83.5 Arenado. Polanco, Yelich, and a Stan. Not bad. We have a Hamamoto, Seaman, Bieber, Lamb, Bueller, and Dobnak. We have a Kemp, Robles. We have a Chapman, Power and Pride. We have a Machado, a Thais, and a Bradley Jr. This is a red. We have a Winitz. We have a Abreu. A gold Freeland. Oh, sorry, gold red. Red Freeland. Hudson. Perez. And a Chapman. And for the last pack, Mojo. We have a Freeman, a Real Muto, a Yamamoto, and a Correa. Alright guys, we're gonna go on to the second to last pack. Second to last pack. We have a Tucker, Riley, a Red Wheeler, Marte, Longoria, and a Corbin. Paddock, Biggio, Flamethrower, Stephen Strasburg, Conforto, Mullins, and Cruz. We have a Torres, DeGrom, Gordon, Rendon, Gavin Lux rookie, nice card again, and Arenado. We have Ahmed, Suarez. We have a Chapman, Smoking Mirrors. We have a Starlin, Benintendi, and a McKay rookie card. Brendan McKay, not bad. We have a Flattery, Romuto, Red Bell. I don't know why I keep saying gold. Snell, Mendick, and Gregorius. We have a Freeman, Cutcho, Power and Pride, Baez, AJ Puke, Boyd, and Ryu. Vogelbach, Strasburg, and a Fire Perez out of 299. Fire Perez out of 299. You got Lester, Posey, and Berrios. Last pack mojo. We have Eovaldi. Bo Bichette rookie gold. Nice card there. Bieber. And Seaman. Alright guys, last box. Last box mojo. Last box mojo. We're gonna get all the numbers and all the autos in here to bless this box. Give us another auto here. Some nice numbered. Just gonna have it bless the box there. Alright guys. Last box. Let's go. Severino. Bellinger. Red. Dunn. Ichiro. Gratero. And a Cabrera. We have a Wheeler. Alcantara. And a throw to home Bryce Harper. 96 miles an hour. We've seen Bryce a lot today. We have a Tatis Jr. We've been missing out on him. Only one card from him. Here's the second. Lincecum. And a rookie Dunn. We have a Mancini. Syndergaard. And a Aquino rookie card out of 199. Aristis Aquino rookie card out of 199. Not a bad hit there. We have Freeland, Zito, and Means. We have an Altuve, Rosario, and a Flamethrowers Noah Syndergaard. Have another Ortiz, Griffey Jr., and a Sosa. Okay, we have another Lewis. Have another Lewis there. Second Lewis of the break. We have a Solar. And Alzole. Red. Bowell. Hamimoto. And Carrera. Another Aristides Aquino, Cepeda Castillo, and the 1,406 Ricky Henderson MLB all-time stolen base leader, gold. Is that numbered? Nope. You got a Devers, a Seaman, and a Bieber. All right, last pack out of the regular packs. We have a Roberts. Nice little card right off the top. We have a Tucker, Fraley, a Kemp, Robles, and a Foltynewicz. Probably butchered that name. I'm just going to sleeve up the Kyle and the Roberts for you guys as well. Get the other ones too. And then here is the last pack. Gold Mojo. Guerrero, Jr. We actually did not see him all break. So this is a good gold Guerrero Jr. We have a Sanchez. The guy's been a beast hitting bombers. Sanchez. I know you guys saw that line drive he hit against Boston in the 9th inning. Mendick. And the Snell. All right, guys. That was a 10-box blaster box break. Came out with some really nice cards here. I have to say I'm pretty satisfied with the break. I don't think it was the worst of the worst. Definitely have seen worse than that. But overall, got some pretty solid people here. Some gold parallels are pretty nice. Got some good rookies here. This is just all the parallels and inserts and things that they had here. Not much. You know, they have about 4 different styles. So definitely fun time to rip if you see them around. Like I said, you want to kind of hang on to them. Make sure that you grab them because they probably won't be there later on. So the Roberts there. So the Lewis, Rivera, Mauer. I'm just giving you guys a quick recap of kind of the parallels and inserts that were there. I'll show you guys the sleeved up cards in a second. So, you know, these gold parallels, pretty nice cards. Flamethrowers, the fires, smoke and mirrors. Throw the homes, red foils, parallels. A lot of Bryce Harper we saw here. Smoke and mirrors. Surprisingly, I'm super surprised that we only saw a couple of Guerrero Jr. But here is, let me get these two sleeved up as well. These hot rookies. Let me know if you guys like Roberts over Lewis or Lewis over Roberts. I'm just curious to know what you guys think. So we got Lewis, Roberts, another Lewis. We got an Aquino out of 199. We have a Perez out of 299. We have an auto of Rogers. Jake Rogers auto. Congrats. You have a Lowe. Lowe is number 225. So low print card there. Have this beautiful Acuna Jr. This card, it's amazing. I might have to buy this card. It's 99, 1 out of 99. So sweet card, sweet number. Definitely probably my favorite card of the break here. Got a Cano, who's a PC for me. He's out of 299. Not bad there. This is a beautiful card here. The Alvarez orange to 299. I mean, it's numbered. It's a parallel. It's rookie card. Can't get better than that right now. You have a Mullins to 199. Last but not least, we have a Yamamoto to 299. So pretty solid hit, guys. Pretty solid break. I'm pretty content and pretty happy with it. Stay tuned. We're going to get the hobby box going. We're going to get the stadium blasters as well. So stay tuned for the next break, guys. And thank you all for joining, all right? Take care.